potassium is the third most abundant mineral in the body. So why do you need potassium? For starters, it helps regulate your blood pressure in two different ways. Firstly, potassium helps to remove extra sodium from the body through the urine. This is a good thing because too much sodium can increase blood pressure. Secondly, potassium helps to relax the walls of your blood vessels. It also helps the cells to get the nutrients they need, muscles to move, and nerves to send their signals. Despite its importance, it is estimated that most adults don't meet their daily needs. The most probable reason is a Western-style diet, which contains processed foods over whole plant foods high in potassium like vegetables, fruits, beans, and nuts. So in this video, we'll talk about 10 indications that your body is potassium deficient. Number 1. Muscle weakness and cramps. A muscle cramp is a sudden and uncontrolled contraction of one or more of your muscles. Within skeletal muscle, potassium helps send signals from the brain to stimulate contractions, and it also helps to end these contractions by leaving the muscle cells. When blood potassium levels are low, your brain cannot send these signals effectively, which prolongs contraction and contributes to muscle cramps. Number 2. Irregular heartbeat. Potassium plays an essential role in maintaining healthy heart muscle contractions. This is because potassium flow in and out of heart cells helps regulate heartbeat. If you have low blood potassium levels, this flow alters, resulting in abnormal heart rhythms known as heart arrhythmia. Number 3. Breathing difficulty. A severe potassium deficiency can also cause breathing problems. Multiple muscles, especially the diaphragm, helps the lungs inhale and exhale air. If the body is severely deficient in potassium, your lungs may not expand and contract properly, resulting in shortness of breath. Number 4. Tingling and numbness. Paresthesia usually refers to a burning and tingling sensation in the hands, arms, legs, and feet. This condition is common in people who are experiencing potassium deficiency. Potassium is vital for healthy nerve functioning, and low blood levels can weaken nerve signals and result in tingling and numbness. Number 5. Polyuria. Polyuria is a condition when you pee more than usual. Kidneys are responsible for balancing electrolytes and body fluids, and for removing any waste through the urine. Low potassium levels impair the kidney's ability to concentrate urine and balance electrolyte levels, which leads to increased urination. You may also experience increased thirst, known as polydyspia. Number 6. High blood pressure. For maintaining healthy blood pressure, it is important to have perfect electrolyte balance. Consuming too much sodium can increase blood pressure, but few people know that too little potassium in the diet can have the same effect. Potassium helps get rid of excessive sodium via urine. And if there is not enough potassium in the blood, kidneys reabsorb sodium back into the bloodstream. Getting enough potassium in a diet is the best way to maintain healthy blood pressure in some individuals. Number 7. Weakness and fatigue. Potassium helps in regulating muscle contractions. When blood potassium levels are low, your muscles produce weaker contractions. Deficiency in this mineral also affects how your body uses nutrients in a way that can result in fatigue. According to studies, a deficiency of potassium could impair insulin production. This can result in high blood sugar levels and less available glucose, which functions as energy for your cells. Number 8. Digestive problems. Potassium helps relay signals from your brain to smooth muscles of the digestive system. These signals stimulate contractions that help the digestive system churn and propel food so that it can digest. With low potassium levels, contractions in the digestive system weaken and slow down food movements. This can cause digestive problems like bloating and constipation. Number 9. Kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard collections of salt and minerals, often made up of uric acid or calcium. Potassium helps your kidneys in flushing excess calcium through urine. If you're not getting enough potassium, it can cause these masses to develop. Number 10. You're also low in magnesium. Magnesium is involved in more than 600 chemical reactions, from DNA synthesis to muscle contraction. It actively transports potassium across your cells, and when you start to dip low in magnesium, your potassium levels can suffer too. Remember, this video is for educational purposes. We are not giving you medical advice. You should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification button to view more upcoming Create Cure content like this.